Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, you may have seen some project walkthroughs for creating a sprite catcher. Then if we scroll down a little bit, they don't catch mine, and the food catcher. I want to show you a project that kind of combines these different ideas into a game. All right, the project we're going to look at is called Fruit Ninja, and it is by Trupa 9000, which power level over 9000. Actually, did you know in the original, in the Japanese version, he doesn't say 9000? Fun tip. Anyways, so there are two different modes in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the classic one. This one's a little bit harder. So when you click, it starts the game, and your goal is to click on the fruit to slice them. But if you click on the bomb, then you will lose the game. So your goal is to not click on those. Okay, so I thought this was a really neat idea. So it's kind of like the sprite catcher in that you're clicking on the sprites to earn a point. But it's also like the games where you have something fall. So this one's coming up and then falling back down. But if you click on the bomb, then you lose and you have to start all over. So I thought this was a really neat idea. If you've got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below. Otherwise, check out the links in the description to check out some projects that you can create using the resources that I've developed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.